Ebusia Kevin a Kobani Taylor any the fake Dr Sansa Dally omo asaba news nimo. Omo aba trend nimo. You know, kwame bafo Abronye no region BP chama or coffee fan same bi asaba or coffee twin same bi from aswe aba je se wabedwedwamu no wasa blast me nche ho me ma nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mess was any day obe like video no that my subscribe button and back the key notification ko no just update na ba kire wadwen ama me e wo comment section so baso no share for onya bi ahwe it on this issue of Kevin Taylor and Dr Sansa Dally na busia ene enwumre exactly 8 p.m. sharp free for live on for the records na ni say Penyah block media oba na ye telecast ema mo hu ye stream program no live e wo channel we so ema mo nyina no munya bihwe 8 p.m. sharp for the record a free fire is coming 8 ya bomodiana turn it back to this particular channel Penyah block media but so na nyina mention a free fire and some or Edema Ghana for concerning Cocoa Board, you know, Ghana police, any Kevin Taylor, fake Dr Sansa Dally, any many other conversations that bring to when your time American and over Abba discussing it's about 8 years. Come back, then you know, you ensure a free for on for the records. Now let's go to the story. Over last year, Nimo, and any pebby about trend with, you know, Kevin Taylor. She's a fake Dr. Bia. I Kevin Taylor by say Mahama Eman appointment. Dr Sansa Dally. I say, be one who be a fake. The body no, and you Photoshop cause on one case only the nine as a straw. But ultra picture, na ya handsy but na large no. Just say it was our share part that foam no. I manage no. Just lady everything about her a fake. Everything about her a fake. Emma that time no you know who can na came to the pushing to the point saying or Mahama am an appointment. Emma is also Emma an appointment Mama the man no Mahama eruvoki. Emma a big call for an arrest because what to me our position was a doctor, medical doctor. To the point saying oh yeah Mahama personal doctor now no. Just say na easy na ehu. Easy. Or the chloroquine adane painkiller ama Mahama just okuna nesa Mahama nesa. Emma be the you know after the issue no na be more calling for the arrest of that fake doctor but I just had a call here Kevin Taylor wo munti no ye ntima anya le hwe but ye nipa ofuro ye ba na nko dem I tell you the papa ofuro bi a scam Ghana fo nyina ba na enko dem na anya was the kra on say almost story no ete kodaye na finally kwame ba fa Abronye Buno original BP chairman was akobie ekron we ekron akọ ani na ensem a Abronye any new findings awode aba no we any munchirimu
na no fieda ene ne dwala so de na former member of parliament for Pong Katamanso Honorable Nin Laye Afoto Agbo ono ena Abrantie ya oti se opo wo na okwa akopɛ de obabi nti amfa on na DNDC ba power nti ese so okekam obi ahu so okekam bibibi koso Kevin Taylor na enough honorable Nin Laye say your friend ni on the caretaker of the Katamanso ho enunti enema odi free parliament na Kevin Taylor didn't see a password and no ya cromfo and no ya cromfo and say yes as a saw mo kwa takeno or you should land guard from Togo near the day Kevin Taylor one ma opiati as one the honest person sao ke kam nyina no na ye bone kwanso ne ani bre oti se odi minister bi atema na okwa kope bibi o ministry ho okọ na mfa oso our platform twenko ba bia ya oye na dwen sa on de NDC ba power Kevin Taylor no ayi ne fucking thinking adiaba wo no influence be na wo Ghana politics wo ya onenam hoi a wabobo sa prai ne fucking thinking ni say ono na di NDC bae anti we no be so no mu a na wa ma warning see we a no wa warning no chief of staff no wa warning no minister we a no wa warning no or ye na drinks on the DMPP by now and on the DNDC by etino okay come nyina no sa one ne wife ne second wife wa ware no mami akrom ha abaya na on oba kroma na latest form nyina shoto sa eto no te separate eto no nyina te separate ketetie so sa amon so na modane ma ho sa de ne ye form na ketetie ko sia no na okanani ka kurukuru muda mo huntoa na mani ka kurukuru nti afrane ko mienu ketetie hwe ese to no sa afrane ba no wa pack latest phone asise nchen tu ho abaka se ye ties oyi ade ne to a etisemete he yayi na mo anso no muni natural eye eto ne nam ho na natural mo hu se eto we natural mo hu enuntina ye no bi yankodi fada no because ade no wo ha metima fi mani se we ni de natural to na ayi esa hwane Hwane Sansa, Lady Sansa ya, nansei na one ayi ketechia free fan to kwadendini. Sa Kevin Taylor aware abaya no. Abaya na no ye medical, almost ye medical doctor. Kevin Taylor beji post manu. Sa Kevin Taylor aware abaya no. As a second wife. And so ye the most honest person. Ghana ha ono no bi anyini. Wafa chire kude abe warabaya no ama ma printi akohu ayi oma kokwan ho akoye photocopy bi ekita omo se gen ye doctor ni e dia abedi appointment na chese ka national health insurance wo no supply nyina no na nka be ye Kevin Taylor dia sa ne second wife no onye doctor ni no that the seat of the government the appointment man the seat of the government now before ansana when Sansa no ebe oni Kevin be wo honom no ofiri ketechi ho no oni minister bi o ho sisi ai akokotwe mpana anti tama okosia Kevin Taylor no so na me ne ketechie na wo ho me free ho me ne nipa sumasi se kro na o maye ne minister say e na one Kevin Taylor fa adwene continue anti one Lady Sansa no ne Kevin Taylor ye one amasisi ame no kase minister bi wo ha womo ye one a blackmailing minister no a give minister no $50,000 a minister no tua o wa ban mu tisi e wa tua sika no because again no catch there minister no say o won naked pictures into one first sika na madia time a minister no be convert na no one first kana madia and naked pictures no ebeba abonten Kevin Taylor na share again nati effort na no di 50,000 no and no cheye minister sisia o sisia o kan maham president Mahama cabinet ho Kevin Taylor ne the second wife no Lady Sansa one G minister no $50,000 dollars because no be converting no be a catcher say with naked pictures and paso na mo dia mo mema na bi no so kra no ha antino ma ho to na me de wakodam na nya to a ara me mfa me sesa me bossa so senchampie o fi sa me no wa sign contract bia ba bia fa bia fa me kwai because no me fi say no nem adi taxi no e ma me de frɛ wo na ye kokoduru dam na latest form ana watwitwa ade apake ho eti ade akono na ma that time na wo hwe ya entisa no wo mo break eno ese bibi kire ose nipa no kra na ya azan tese akono no timiti hey momo binom so dia mo ho ahom te pao say oh what's your be what is elected from what twitwa de ahye ho wo se ade adi anie ukoduru ya oyi to wa flat wo de akora mo oduru che no na wanya kokuduro da ho owie ya wabebo ntrani a wo converting ade $50,000 meanwhile ono mom na deceive because he to no na de koye ayi bargain no wadi sika no money Kevin Taylor e de akwakoto asase sa one oba na to asase abom wafa kira be ware sa afna na oye fake doctor no a ode ba di appointment man no ono na ye ono na ba be ware aye customary marriage aye marriage certificate am makoto asase a ombebo bra enso ne yire te America ne yire nim we sore a not work cancro for asem the fathers attempt the reverend ministers attempt attack everybody Ghana had onu nko na aka wo nyansa adewe a onu na abobo se apra no ukota mo bu obi fa so $50,000 ana mo de kwato asase no wo ne Ghana de kwato asase no mo de be bobra na wabu obi afa so de akota asase na asema ba ho a na Kevin Taylor ba be ha na ni ana ni laye fotago ye nipa boni wo ye langard ni wo ye say wo ye kromfo wo mo pam ni free NDC mu Kevin Taylor with surface interest and no chrono a wo de tia opeso bia hu se oye be matel bia no na no semete se na o ke cancer mera hu sem second former second lady and presidential candidate wife hey me catch no ebefunu me catch us ebefunu wo ya wo ti wanu wo conscience na se wo adwena nka wo papa yira a one ne tie wo ne na nkwankoda wo Kevin Taylor wo ni sa wo be kasa tia samira baumia Kevin Taylor wo ni sa be kasa tia samira baumia nano ye to abawie wo ba be kasa tia samira baumia wo papa yire wo papa enya wo papa no ma me nete wo papa yire a wo ne o ne ne tie no wo Kevin Taylor wo ne kodaye en na odi dwane kwa America me boa kasa mboa foolish boy.
Continue.
Wono bia wono papa yira da no wono wo nyansa.
Continue.
Na wo watimanya kokudura ba be didi samira ba omi atem wanya kokudura ba be kasati ba omi a.
Hey. Continue.
Edam kwanso na wasie no sansa wono papa yira da enti edam kwanso na wasie no na bebam ye do beba ankamfo aba be mantamo makana market.
Continue.
Mese makana market say ye do beba ankamfo aba be mantamo da wono papa dae no o papa yire dae no eguso ye adwuma nanka wo na mo nka ba papa ho na bedi wachi wo mo twetwa fom ne twetwa fom de hye ayi mu ahyehye ya na bedi wachi na o pato ama menkyere na kɔ UK ye school mu wa ba be kɔ school na ba ya bi wo ye friend adile nyako to no ye natural o oba na class obi ape ba bi afa to no ye natural adile nyako to no ye natural obo UK opa twatekiti kwa obekwa akɔ hunto oba no me hwɛ kredi ye natural na wono obaji obi gara no aheda ne na ko creative beef what ya fai Santo kwani nyina wode titare ketetie nyina wakọ ware ge no. Eto pret. Eto mo pret. Eto atise me nsayam. Nti hwane ba na hwane be ma no. Enu nti by force. The bia latest form ebe introduce new one bia na frana kwa akototo no watwitwa na ode asese ne to. No aboku sin ahye ho. Na meme bufaso medical doctor hwe hips. Say a fake wine. Adire ni kura ye oba akosa no wo no so ne de no so kura de tem bibia. Uyi UK de nfa ba akosa wo ho. Ono so ne de natural. Na mo no mo tia na wo no wakwakọ wi asase. Ne ye kan opese Ghana fo hu se wono Kevin Taylor no fight for nkrofo a wo mo ton sase wo ha na ni la ye fotago de langa de ha nkrofo sa no ni interest na o ka ho asem producer bo video no as land thief Bolantif video press conference on my year aguna nim ase afa na yira chi abeware fake doctor no mo ko pass ase a enye yie na fe na obeka langard ho asem okroma producer bon video no mayenko.
It is worthy to note that Kevin Taylor himself in his usual rants has confirmed the disputed land in contention is in Katamansu and not Okanman, as speculated and evidenced by his alleged acquisition. The disputed land is situated in the heart of the Great Penyah forest within the Katamansu's two boundaries, known to have been sold to him, the Kevin Taylor and his accomplice, Madame Abronye Sansa Dally, the famous self-styled doctor whose appointment was recently revoked by President John Dramani Mahama. They jointly obtained their grants from Layelomo and the Okanchu family, albeit the land being at Okanman, but rather the land happens to be in Katamansu. It was fraudulently annexed, and deceitfully a land title certificate was procured from the Survey and Mapping Division and the Land Registry Division of the Greater Accra Lands Commission under a peculiar circumstances. For the want of education, we have two lands and family lands within the Greater Accra region, and any misguided or fraudulent means by anyone, as in the case of the Okanchu family, executing a statutory declaration to annex a land in Katamansu, being a stew area, though it was not given to them by the Katamansu stew, should not have obtained any legal and legitimate land title certificate. But as usual, the unfortunate happened thanks to the Land Registry Division, Accra. For the records, securing a land certificate in a Katamansu stew area, if it was not given to you by the Katamansu stew, does not confer ownership of the legitimacy of ownership to you, as in the case of Kevin Taylor and his grantors, alluding that because Okanchu family have fraudulently procured a land title certificate, they are the legitimate owners of the land. It is not and will fiercely resist, and it will not, and we will fiercely resist their efforts of trying to take possession of those lands within the Katamansu's two boundaries, which they have deemed they can annex because they have land title certificate, which is a blatant product of fraud. The question one has to ask is, what is their root of title? Every land in Greater Accra have an identity. So is Katamansu land, and not the concocted Okanman allegedly located in Katamansu, as claimed by Kevin Taylor and his accomplices. Most land disputes involving Katamansu have gone through due processes before judicial forums, inclusive of current substantive case, which are before courts of competent jurisdiction, the only appropriate forum for such matters, and not the Kevin Taylor social media trials. Kevin Taylor is being economical with the truth to insinuate that the revered chief present on the Lands Commission board has given him a competitive advantage to assess the Lands Commission system to expunge existing titles of individuals and families. It is worthy to note that Kevin Taylor himself, in his usual rants, has confirmed the disputed land in contention is in Katamansu and not Okanman, as speculated and evidenced by his alleged acquisition. The disputed land is situated in the heart of the Great Penyah forest within the Katamansu's two boundaries, known to have been sold to him, the Kevin Taylor, and his accomplice, Madam Abronye Sansa Dally, the famous self-styled doctor, whose appointment was recently revoked by President John Dramani Mahama. They jointly obtained their grants from Layelomo and the Okanchu family, albeit the land being at Okanman, but rather the land happens to be in Katamansu. It was fraudulently annexed, and deceitfully a land title certificate was procured from the Survey and Mapping Division and the Land Registry Division of the Greater Accra Lands Commission under a peculiar circumstances. For the want of education, we have stool lands and family lands within the Greater Accra region, and any misguided or fraudulent means by anyone, as in the case of the Okanchu family, executing a statutory declaration to annex a land in Katamansu, being a stool area, though it was not given to them by the Katamansu stool, should not have obtained any legal and legitimate land title certificate. But as usual, the unfortunate happened thanks to the Land Registry Division, Accra. For the records, securing a land certificate in a Katamansu stool area, if it was not given to you by the Katamansu stool, does not confer ownership of the legitimacy of ownership to you, as in the case of Kevin Taylor and his grantors, alluding that because Okanchu family have fraudulently procured a land title certificate, they are the legitimate owners of the land.
Kevin Taylor ne second wife and ni Sansa, the fake doctor, said the press conference almost stating woman say, oh, you fake, you know, or Mako we assassin, our Lands Commission, person or me carabri. The clean person now, or be our person or be a who is all ye clean, no, what is a oh, po wo. What near ye, the Betima ya boane say, ne yere betty, say Kevin Taylor be worry. Fake doctor no, I'm on no nyina koto asase. Ene de ebe ye de aboa no. Sa dwuma de ebeye ne nyina e de aboa no yebeji documents ne nyina enti mo amoye press com mo modena mfa documents no emre me documents na Kevin Taylor ne ani Sansa Dini woso no mo modena mfa documents ne nyina me be ye letter official letter de atoso na matwere akwa ba bia ne wife ye adwoma potu bibia akwa ne wife no say ye protect legal wife for no mboa ye protect legal wife for no nti no Kevin Taylor legal wife ne broni no ana wa be ware fake doctor ya osora no watwitwa latest form asese akire no nti ye ba be ye bibia na de akwa ma ne wife no say ni kunu aware Ghana ha so no timi kase obegu MPP party yes de ebetuma ya aboa na ne say ye this documents nyina be kose ni kunu wo second wife wa one ne wo properties wo Ghana adanse ni nie
me kai say now me kai say 8 p.m. for the record Ebeba Live. Come back here exactly 8 p.m. Now enjoy conversation. I Penyah broke maybe that you're watching amame. I will comment section.